I'll take a picture.
Thank you.
What's he doing?
He's going to get out and he's going to take the picture himself because Grandma can't do it.
Crying out loud, can't even run your phone.
I'm gonna see what the train's doing. I don't know what he's doing, so we need to figure this out.
He's probably wondering why we're taking pictures of him and everything. What number is it?
It's not usual to have
Is that the 5330?
Look on the picture and find out. You can blow it up and look. Not gonna honk at me? Okay.
Well, what do you want to do? You want to pull in here and wait to see if he goes?
Yes, because it might be exciting to watch. What am I doing?
Yeah, see if I can see what number it is. Oh, it's a 5923.
Look over to see the other two engines.
6066 and 2554.
Okay.
That's it.
It has only 13 cars.
I wonder if he broke down.
He's just a short one.
Well, yeah, but what's he waiting on? There's not a double track, so another one can't come through while he's sitting there.
Probably waiting on something up the other track.
What's the other track crossing is?
Up there.
For the trains to get out of the way so it won't derail while he's still moving.
That's like a northbound, but he's southbound.
Okay.
Get the short guy.
I suppose that's why he's sitting there, because he said, crap, I should have been going north.
Either that or his coupler broke and all of his cars are up north. We want to go on to the other side and see what color the lights are.
Yes.
Yeah, look down that way on the track, see if you see another train.
What is this train gonna do?
I don't know. I don't know how long he's going to sit there.
When we go across the railroad, then will we freak out?
No?
No.
Is it because he's sitting?
Yeah.
There he is.
There's nothing down there and the light's red.
Barely red.
Well, what do you want to do? You want to go down that way a little bit and
Go
come back?
down there and then come back to see what time he's gonna move. I think that train there looks like a farm equipment one from Elm Creek. The Elm Creek.
Still barely red here, but it's brighter red down there.
Sounded like he honked.
Oh, yeah?
You didn't hear it?
No.
Did you hear it, Landon?
No.
Landon did.
Yeah.
Oh, he's
I see him going.
It was letting us know, don't go.
Okay.
Hang on.
Woo!
He's going! He's going! He is! There he goes! He's going! He's going! He's going!
That was sweet of him to honk at us.
I am
Wave,
happy.
wave, wave.
Okay, okay. Whoa,
Wave.
Look at him! Look at him! There he goes! Oh, there he goes!
There he
There he is! Whee! Conductor!
There's two guys in there.
There's
Yep.
two guys in there. That's a Union Pacific.
He's going 15 miles an hour.
Yep.
So since he's moving, does that mean another one's coming?
Oh, not 4 class, 3 flammable liquids.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, there's something sticking out that gondola right there.
Looks like a weed.
18 miles an hour.
Okay.
13 cars.
13 cars.
Oh, it was really nice of him to honk at us to let us know he was going.